Hello. In this video, we will be solving number 16 and 17 from your Try 1 Algebra 3 final review. These ones want you to use the quadratic formula to solve an equation, which is great. When you do your quadratic formula, you are always going to start with a discriminant. Your discriminant is just a formula. It'll tell you how many solutions you have. Your discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Again, we have ax squared plus bx plus c. Technically, there's a little 1 in front of that x. So we're going to plug in our values. I see that a is -2, b is -1, and c is 10. If I plug it into that formula, we're doing b squared, so -1 squared, minus 4, times a, which is -2, times c, which is 10. If I square -1, I get a +1. -4 times -2 gives me a +8, and then 8 times 10 gives me 80, excuse me. My last step, we're doing 1 plus 80, which gives me 81. This is a positive number, so that tells me there's going to be 2 real solutions, which is great. I should have 2 answers in the end, but we are still going to use this number in our next problem. The second part of this is we're going to use our quadratic formula. I'm just going to call it the quad form. My quadratic formula is -b plus or minus the square root of your discriminant, let's call it d, all over 2a. Again, we already figured out our b, our a value, and d, so we just have to plug everything in. So we have -b, so -1, plus or minus the square root of our discriminant, which was 81, all over 2 times our a value, which is -2. If I simplify a little bit, -1 gives me 1. And then we have plus or minus the square root of 81. If you type that into your calculator, you'll get 9. And then all divided by 2 times -2, which is -4. At this point, I'm going to break my problem into 2 parts. My first one is 1 plus 9 over 4. My second one, excuse me, that was a -4. My second one is 1 minus 9 over -4. For the first one, 1 plus 9 gives me 10, divided by -4. You do want to simplify that fraction. I can divide both of those terms by 2. So technically, we have -5 over 2. And that should be your first answer. Your second one, if I do 1 minus 9, I get -8 divided by -4. Your 2 negatives will give you a positive, and then 8 divided by 4 is 2, so 2 would be my second solution. So your answers are -5/2 and 2. Looking at our second one, we're doing the same thing. Technically, we have -1x squared minus 3x plus 3. There's a sneaky little 1 in front of that x squared. Again, we have ax squared plus bx plus c. My first step is finding my discriminant. D equals b squared minus 4ac. In this one, my a value is going to be -1. B is going to be -3, and c is going to be +3. So if we plug it in, we have b squared, which is -3 squared, minus 4, times a, which is -1, times c, which is 3. If we simplify, we get 9 minus, just kidding, it's going to be plus. 4 times -1 gives me a +4. Multiply it by 3, we get a plus 12. And you can just put that all in your calculator. You don't actually need to do it in your head. If I do 9 plus 12, I get 21. Again, we have a positive number. This tells me we're going to have 2 real solutions. And this number is my discriminant, so this one equals D. Again, for the second part, we are plugging it into our quadratic formula. -b plus or minus the square root of your discriminant, which is D, all over 2a. If we plug in what we know, we have -3, because -3 is my b value, plus or minus the square root of 21, all divided by 2 times a, which is -1. If we simplify this a bit, we have 3 plus or minus the square root of 21. Now, ideally, if I could simplify 21, I would, but I can only divide 21 by 21, 7, and 3, and none of those are perfect squares. So it's just going to stay square root of 21. And then 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. At this point, we'll break it down into 2 parts. We have 3 plus the square root of 21 over 2. We have 3 minus the square root of 21 all over 2. Oh, excuse me, my 2 is negative in both of those. You might see this rewritten as negative 3 over 2 minus square root of 21 over 2. It was minus because we had our minus goes up here and then up there because those are both positive. And positive divided by negative is negative. The second one, you have a positive and a negative, so you'd probably get minus 3 over 2. And then here you have 2 negatives, so it gives you a positive square root of 21 over 2. So your 2 answers could also be written like that. And I think that's how they do it on your test. But that is that. All right, if you have any other questions about your quadratic formula, please don't hesitate to ask your math teacher, And as always, thank you for watching.